Right, so I just decided to record a guide how to root almost any Redmi. Um, in my example, it's Linux plus Redmi Note 7. So yeah, this guide is not ideal, but something is better than nothing. So as you see, I was using such even worse guide like this from some Indian guy, and he like showed me that in order to fix that issue that data, some partition is encrypted, I need to do this no verity latest stuff like that. But yeah, I like that, and so he has this link. But actually, I even uploaded. You can check description. I uploaded this to my drive link. Um, Also, password you can find in the description. So you do, firstly you charge your phone. I used Linux, but you can use Windows, and on Windows install some terminal or stuff like that. I don't know. Maybe you can figure out on Linux with cloud, ChatGPT, stuff like that. USB and me account, and this is important. Create one. I know it's kind of painful because developers, very bad developers who was creating auth in Redmi or Xiaomi or this stuff, but yeah, create account. Note that you don't need mobile data. You don't need. Yeah, I did it without mobile data. It's possible. Anyways. So you just download everything. That's what I did. Enable developer in the options. Tap on my version 7 times. Settings, additional settings, developer options, enable USB debugging. I am unlocking and install via USB. And then you wait, it's not. Wait, let me update. Okay, so I decided to paste a screenshot so it's more clear. I am unlocking, you enable that, then you go into Mi Unlock status, and then you will have a button there. And when you click on this button, it will ask you to disable Wi-Fi and enable mobile data. So what you do, you disable Wi-Fi, enable mobile data, even you don't have mobile data as me. You click that button, you fast, like right after that, you enable Wi-Fi back. It do its own thing and shows you like request sent, successful, or stuff like that. Then you add your phone number into Mi account. I can show you even that right now. You just go to this link. Then you sign in with the Xiaomi. Let me do that real quick. And Xiaomi, bad Xiaomi developers, because they don't create the option to add a phone when you register, or in some settings you don't find this option. You find this option right here. You go to this website, then you sign in, then you click recordings, and then it will, no, for me it doesn't work. Maybe you need to create, sometimes yeah, it doesn't work. I tested it on 2 accounts. Trust me, I spent like literally weeks trying to root this. Sometimes it doesn't work. Maybe you need to log out and log in again. I don't know. For me it worked not here. Sometimes it worked in browser, but how I did that is I did that on my phone. I just literally, no, I'm not going to show you like how I'm turning on my phone and stuff like that, but I just, how it work? On my phone, basically, I went to this website, click recordings, and then it showed me like add your phone. If it doesn't work, try to recreate account, but it should work on your phone. Try it in browser, or in browser in your phone, like stuff like that. So yeah, click, then boom, Add your phone number via SMS on your phone, settings, additions, add account and device. Yeah, that's what I explained it to you. You should see added successfully, but wait, let me write this. Right, so basically here I just explain it. This flow, you just don't need mobile internet, you just turn on mobile internet. Then you turn off Wi-Fi, click button, then turn on Wi-Fi, and you will see success. So you will see this added successfully. Now this is not associated with this device now. Then you need to wait like 3 days, 7 days. You just wait. And by the way, even after 7 days, it was not working for me. You just need to add your mobile phone number. Make sure that you did this step right here. Otherwise, this will not work. Unlock bootloader as the waiting period. You just do this. This is how I did it. Just platform tools, as I remember, was not working for me. But you can use AI. Put it into Fuzzboot, connect into USB, run me unlock. Yeah, just run this. Once again, you can use AI. I don't want to make this video 10 minutes long or something. Then you install Orange Fox. You can ask AI how to do this, and you are smart enough. I already gave you this guide. Then you fix this encryption, because this was crucial for me. Like, you just install this zip using this Orange Fox that you installed. You just swipe and swipe to install. Then you install Magisk, for example, version 30 or whatever version that is. For me it was version 30.7. Then page boot. And by the way, you can summarize this video with Grok if you want. Grok.com, not bad website. You can go there and summarize this video if you need. Then yeah, this is what I did. I just executed some commands that Cloud sent to me. Basically, yeah, you do that. Yeah, then you do this. Actually, you download that. You install Magisk in Magisk app, click install, select and patch file. You unselect uncheck. Yeah, you uncheck first two checkboxes. It will say something like encrypt, something like that. I don't remember. Yeah, that's it. I don't want to make it very long.